The biggest names in the credit world just pulled the plug on a company that promised to change your financial life. I am talking about a situation where the three major credit bureaus literally deactivated their connection to a popular credit card. Think about that for a second. If you are using a card to build credit, but the bureaus refuse to talk to that card, you are basically throwing your money into a void. It started out so promising. This specific company wanted to solve a real problem. They looked at your bank balance instead of a credit score. They used the service to check your actual income and assets. No hard inquiries, no security deposits, no interest rates. It sounded like the perfect solution for anyone starting from zero. For immigrants and students, it felt like a lifeline. But then things took a dark turn. Major financial reports from late 2024 confirm a total breakdown. The relationship between this card and the big credit bureaus just snapped. One bureau used the word deactivated. That is not a minor glitch. That is a total shutdown of the one thing this card was designed to do. People are still paying monthly fees for credit reporting that technically cannot happen. It is wild. I looked into the complaints piling up at the Better Business Bureau, and the numbers are staggering. We are talking about hundreds of cases in a single year. The biggest issue is not just the lack of reporting. It is the fact that people cannot leave. Picture trying to cancel a subscription and being completely ignored. People are sending dozens of emails. They are begging to stop the charges, but the money keeps leaving their accounts. It is a nightmare scenario for anyone trying to fix their finances. The strangest part is the website. Even after being cut off, the company was still showing those big bureau logos. They are marketing a product that cannot deliver its primary promise. This is not just a hiccup. This is a structural collapse. If you are out there trying to build your score, you need something that actually works. You want something boring. You want something reliable. There are other options out there. Some big names in the mobile banking space offer credit builder tools that are much safer. They might not be as flashy. They might not have the same social media hype, but they actually report your payments. They do the work. The original mission of this card was great. The founders wanted to help people the credit system ignores. That is a noble goal. But when your bank partner walks away and the bureaus stop taking your data, the mission is over. You cannot build a house on a foundation that has been removed. Do not get blinded by a clever pitch. Always look at the recent news before you link your bank account to a new app. Always check if the people using the service can actually get out when they want to. I went down this rabbit hole so you do not have to. Your financial health is too important to gamble on a system that is currently broken. Stick to the tools that have their reporting lines open. Stick to the companies that answer their emails and provide actual customer support. It is better to take the slow, boring path to a high credit score than to get stuck in a loop of fees and frustration. The full picture is clear now. This magic bullet has misfired. You deserve a tool that actually helps you grow instead of holding your bank account hostage while your credit score stays stuck. Take your time. Research the alternatives that have a proven track record. Your future self will thank you for being cautious today.